Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're working on another grub color, episode 5. This one's called Brass. This one involves no glitters. What it involves is a brass aluminum powder from Lurecraft. A little bit goes a long ways. As you can see, that's all I'm using. Now that's like roughly a pinch, you guys. That's not a lot at all. And then I'm using MF Manufacturing's non-bleed yellow. Now what this is going to be, I'm doing a small batch. I'm just doing 4 ounces of plastic, ½ ounce of softener, and of course my coloring and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick, throw this in the microwave, get it heated up, and get it going for you guys. I'm going to try to do a couple videos today, so they're going to be shorter. They're just going to be small batches. So hold on one sec. Alright everybody, as you can see I got it all heated up, ready to go. I did add my salt. Since I'm only doing a half batch, I only did a ½ teaspoon, tablespoon, whichever one. I'll go ahead and add my color. I'm going to start off with 25 drops. From there I'm just going to increase by 5 depending on what the color looks like. But we're going to shoot for somewhere around 30. There's 25. We'll go ahead and mix this up. As you can see, it gets real yellow. So we'll go with 25. We're not going to need any more than that, as you can see. Looks like baby food. I would know. Got a couple kids myself. So, mix that in real good. Next step, take your aluminum powder. This just really creates the after effect. It doesn't do nothing right away, but this just adds that extra shine and prettiness to it in the water. And just remember, get it all thorough. We're going to use a little bit more powder. We're going to use another pinch, just to kind of just make that relative in size. So I don't know if you guys all remember the old cooking channels with Emerald, but just think, BAM! Throw that in there. Alright. And this creates a really pretty yellow. I don't know, you guys probably aren't going to be able to see it, but you can kind of see what the brass does. Sorry guys, this is all off my phone. I know that's so redneck, but we're in the process of dealing with my daughter's surgery, so we're trying to hold off on buying a house. She has to have a facial reanimation surgery. So I don't know if that's going to be a credit destroyer or not yet, but after that surgery this summer, we'll start looking for a bigger place, and I can actually have my own setup going on where I can put some money into it and put some time into it. So, all right, once you got it all mixed together, handy dandy injection tool here, suck it all up, start squirting. Oops, that was a little too hard. So yeah, that first shot, I completely messed that. I shot it all out the sides and everything. I got a little overzealous on the amount of pressure I actually needed. Try to go a little fast here, so hopefully I don't mess anything up. Definitely don't hurry through this like I'm doing, guys. You guys want something good looking. Good thing is, I have 3 molds, so if 2 of them come out bad, I'll show you the good one. Squirt what you don't need back in there so you can reheat it. But this is what I was talking about. I got a little overzealous on the pressure. You don't want that shit going on. It just comes out the crack in the mold. everywhere. Bottom of the mold, everything. So that'll all, once that happens, that'll all have to be reheated and redone. No good. All the excess. Yeah, that's how bad I messed that up. I mean, you can take scissors and trim them out, but I'm just going to reheat them up. I'm just going to drop them back in there. This is what they should turn out to look like. So not bad, and you can kind of see the glittery effect that the alumina powder has. Let's see if I can't focus in on it. Pretty good. It works pretty good. I like the color. I don't know where you guys are fishing, but if it doesn't, you know, work for you guys, try using aluminum powders anyways, but with a different color. They really do make it nice. So that's brass, you guys. And remember, I just did a small batch, so if you're going to do 2 full cups or whatnot, just double the recipe. So I did 4 ounces of plastic, ½ ounce of softener, ½ a tablespoon of salt, 2 pinches of brass aluminum powder, and 25 drops of non-bleed yellow from MF Manufacturing. Give it a try, guys. See you in the next one.